The last time we talked to Kurt Franke, we had a little bit of a quandary. We had a claim that we had to bring your way. Well, we've brought back in Kurt and the legal side of real estate to talk about our claim. Now, let's remind people what happened.
My kitchen flooded.
Okay.
So we wanted to go through the process of making an insurance claim on your homeowner's policy, talk about, a living example of it.
All right, and you're about to talk to your agent and the, if you will, the company to make sure that this claim was going to be covered.
That's
and what
right.
happened there?
I said you want to maybe talk to your agent, just to bring your agent into it and let
Right.
your agent know, and your agent may have tips for you. But the insurance company is the one who's going to be doing the claim, and so you have to contact their 800 number, however they have that set up. You have to get a claim number, and you'll live by that claim number for the next month and a half, 2 months, because they'll always ask you for your claim number.
Sure.
They'll assign an adjuster to come look at your house.
Okay.
I said the first thing you want to do, though, is make sure that you stop the damage.
Right.
A lot of
Good
people, I don't want to give the impression you call the insurance company and wait for them to take care of it. If it's a leak, stop the water, etc. And, the adjusters also want you to hold on to, if it's a leaking plumbing part, hold on to that part so that they can look at it afterwards, and maybe if they have to make a claim for what's called subrogation against that company that manufactured it.
Now, in that subrogation claim, that could lead on to even bigger and bigger things where you have a class action?
Well,
Is
the
that where that can lead?
homeowner is usually not involved in it.
No, I'm just asking legally. Can that go that far?
Well, it sure could if it's a very dangerous, and
okay.
it
A gas
impacts
leak.
a lot of people, but
Very
it
good.
doesn't really impact your claim.
Okay, so now you have called the adjuster, you have your number, and how has that gone from there?
So the adjuster will come over, he'll take a preliminary estimate of the house. There's always, and especially in houses, there's always supplementals. But it'll give you a preliminary estimate. Depending upon the size of that estimate, the bank might even have to become involved because they're collateralized by that house.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So we're waiting to find out.
So he will, in my case, the adjuster has already given a preliminary estimate. Now we've had contractors come over because we've moved into the rebuild phase. From the repair phase, from stopping from drying the kitchen, we've moved to the rebuild. Now we get a contractor to come in, give an estimate. They compare that estimate with the preliminary estimate that the adjuster did. And now we're going to be seeing if we can make those two mesh.
Very good. Okay. It's a process. It's what happens. If you've been through this process, you don't think you've been properly covered, this is a good time to get a hold of you, right?
That's right. You can call my office at 827-6100. Speak with Linda, Joe, or Natalie. They'd be happy to set up an appointment. Or go to my website. That's lokaf.com.
It's Kurt Franke bringing us the legal side of real estate and an interesting aspect to it, personally seeing what happens when you have an insurance claim. Thanks, Kurt.
Stay tuned.
That's right.